In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Heygen Avatar ID. If you're working with templates, automations, or an API, you'll often need the unique identifier for a specific avatar. I'll walk you through the exact clicks so you can grab it in seconds. Start by opening your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type Heygen and press Enter. You should see the official Heygen site in the top results. Look for the result that clearly shows Heygen's official domain and branding. Avoid ads or lookalike pages. Going to the official site helps keep your account secure and ensures the interface matches what you see here. Once the site loads, head to the Sign In option, typically found in the upper right corner. Click Sign In and enter your account credentials as you normally do. After you're in, you'll land on your Heygen dashboard or home screen. From here, navigate to the Avatar area. Depending on your layout, you may see Avatar in the main navigation or in a sidebar. Click Avatar to open your list of avatars. Give the page a moment to load if you have a lot of assets. Now, scan the list to find the specific avatar whose ID you want. You can usually identify it by the avatar's name or thumbnail. When you've located it, look directly to the right of the name for the ellipsis icon, the 3 vertical or horizontal dots that open more options. Click that ellipsis to reveal a small menu of actions for that avatar. In the menu, choose Copy Avatar ID. The system will copy a unique string of letters and numbers to your clipboard instantly. You might see a brief confirmation message letting you know it worked. At this point, paste the ID into a safe place, like a Notes app or the project where you plan to use it. Label it clearly with the avatar's name so you don't mix it up if you manage multiple avatars. If you need to verify it, paste it into a text field to make sure it appears as expected. Remember, the avatar ID is simply a reference for tools and integrations. It doesn't expose personal information, but it's still good practice to store it responsibly. That's all there is to it. Open your browser, go to the official Heygen site, sign in, open the avatar section, use the ellipsis beside your avatar's name, and click Copy Avatar ID. Thanks for watching, and happy creating.